Metro Manila, and she's another person currently marketing manager of Trading Plaza Condominium. Mga taga-unahan at mga taga-ako, at sa batang pagkakang bata to Jackson, Servan, Gamutan. Sunod she's a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Nursing at University of Visayas, Goya Program Center, and is currently a nurse and production manager of Youth of Managing Actors. And she's also the grand champion of the Teletech Idol Philippines in the year 2012 and a member of Young Champions of Cebu. Friends, please welcome the role of Nelly Action in the Mario. Our next guest friend is registered nurse and working at Philippine Hospital of Cebu. And she was a graduate of the same school that I had, now I'm at the University of Santa Rosa. And she was actively dancing with a rhythm dance troupe during her high school days. Friends, please help me welcome Salona Rose Bupal. And of course, let's meet the chairman of the Board of Judges. She's a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education at Cebu Normal University. Currently working for 3 years at the Cebu City Government as well as the Cebu Treasurer. Presently connected at the Cebu Provincial Government, the office of the local governor, Honorable United Cebu III. A passion is then organizer. Tomorrow, kailangan naman na please welcome Mopay Roger Guanzon. Okay, so